Spending a week in Los Angeles provides ample time to explore the city's diverse neighborhoods, iconic landmarks, and cultural attractions. Here's a suggested 7-day itinerary to help you experience the best of LA. Day 1. Hollywood and Downtown LA Morning. Start your trip with a visit to Hollywood Boulevard. Walk along the Hollywood Walk of Fame, see the TCL Chinese Theater with its famous handprints and footprints, and take a photo with the iconic Hollywood sign from the nearby Hollywood and Highland Center. Afternoon. Head to Griffith Observatory for panoramic views of the city and the Hollywood sign. Explore the observatory's exhibits and enjoy a hike if time permits. Evening. Discover downtown LA by visiting the Broad Museum, an excellent contemporary art museum. Stroll through Grand Park and explore the Walt Disney Concert Hall designed by Frank Gehry. Day 2. Beach Day and Santa Monica Morning. Spend the morning at Santa Monica Beach. Enjoy the sun, sand, and surf, and explore the Santa Monica Pier with its iconic Ferris wheel and family-friendly attractions. Afternoon. Walk or bike along the Santa Monica Beach Boardwalk, then head to the 3rd Street Promenade for shopping and dining. Evening. Enjoy dinner at a beachfront restaurant or one of the many dining options in Santa Monica. Optionally, explore the vibrant nightlife or catch a movie at one of the local theaters. Day 3. Cultural and Artistic Exploration Morning. Visit the Getty Center in Brentwood for impressive art collections, stunning architecture, and beautiful gardens. Enjoy the panoramic views of Los Angeles from the museum. Afternoon. Head to the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, LACMA, to explore its extensive art collection and the iconic urban light installation. Evening. Explore La Brea Tar Pits and the nearby Page Museum, which offers insights into prehistoric life in LA. Enjoy dinner in the nearby Mid-Wilshire area. Day 4. Theme Parks and Entertainment Morning. Spend the day at Universal Studios Hollywood. Enjoy the theme park's rides, attractions, and the studio tour, which offers a behind-the-scenes look at movie production. Afternoon. Continue exploring Universal Studios, including its themed areas like the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and Springfield. Evening. If time permits, explore CityWalk, the entertainment and shopping complex adjacent to the theme park, or catch a movie at the Universal CityWalk Cinema. Day 5. Beverly Hills and Rodeo Drive Morning. Take a leisurely walk around Beverly Hills, including the famous Rodeo Drive for luxury shopping and people watching. Explore Beverly Gardens Park and see the iconic Beverly Hills sign. Afternoon. Visit the Greystone Mansion and Park, a historic estate offering beautiful gardens and architecture. Evening. Dine in one of Beverly Hills' upscale restaurants or explore the nightlife in the area. Day 6. Explore the arts and culture of LA Morning. Head to El Matador Beach in Malibu for a picturesque morning by the sea. Enjoy the dramatic coastal views and unique rock formations. Afternoon. Visit the Los Angeles Natural History Museum to see its impressive exhibits on natural history, including dinosaur skeletons and precious gems. Evening. Explore the Hollywood Bowl for an evening concert if there's a performance scheduled, or check out the entertainment options in Hollywood or Sunset Boulevard. Day 7. Relax and Reflect Morning. Spend a relaxing morning at the Huntington Library, Art Museum, and Botanical Gardens in San Marino, exploring its beautiful gardens, art collections, and rare manuscripts. Afternoon. Enjoy a leisurely lunch and take a final stroll through the gardens. Optionally, explore the nearby Pasadena area for some last-minute shopping or sightseeing. Evening. Enjoy a final dinner at a favorite spot in LA or explore any neighborhoods or attractions you may have missed. Reflect on your week in this vibrant city. This itinerary balances iconic attractions with local experiences, ensuring a comprehensive and memorable exploration of Los Angeles.